Hello and welcome to another Hill and Ponton VA video blog. I'm Matthew Hill here with Carol Ponton. Today we want to talk to you about service connecting Parkinson's. As most people know already, the VA has admitted that exposure to Agent Orange service in Vietnam causes Parkinson's disease, and they will give you a presumptive service connection for that, meaning you don't have to fight to show that one is related to the other. There are other areas, there are other things that veterans have been exposed to in service that do cause Parkinson's, and there is a link between them. Unfortunately, a lot of vets don't know about them. What have you seen, Carol?
Well, welding causes Parkinson's, or can cause Parkinson's. There's a high connection between being a welder and getting Parkinson's. And also, one of my veterans wasn't a welder, but he cleaned up the area in the welding, and we were able to get him service connection for Parkinson's. So being around those fumes from welding is a terrible thing ultimately, and it could cause Parkinson's. So if you have Parkinson's and you were a welder or you're around welding, then you need to file a claim for that. And the other thing we found is solvents, TCE, PCE. If you've been exposed to that, that could also cause Parkinson's. So knowledge is power. You need to figure out what happened to me in the service. If I have Parkinson's, have I been exposed to either one of those things?
And I'll say with the solvents, a lot of veterans don't even know that they were using them. If you were in any position where you were cleaning, a jet mechanic, I can't think of any other offhand, but
sometimes the aviation, the tools
themselves. I had a client who was developing photographs, and he was in a dark room where there was no ventilation. And when he went to clean his camera, he used the solvents, TCE in particular. It was a case we had to take all the way to the BVA, but we had a favorable opinion saying basically this man was in this room for anywhere from 8 to 12 hours a day, and he was using these solvents, and there was nowhere that it would escape.
Right.
And so again, it might not be something on your radar because you might not have known what solvents you were using, degreasers, in service, but those can cause huge problems later, and particularly Parkinson's disease. Well, thank you for joining us, and we look forward to talking to you soon on another VA video blog.